Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I am a chartered accountant and CFA who helps my clients with all investments and insurances. A common query that we get is what is large cap, what is mid cap, what is small cap in stock markets, and I will try and address this today. Okay, let's say there is an index called as NSE 500, Nifty 500, which are the top 500 companies. This is based on market capitalization. Means in case if you want to purchase the entire company, आपको कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा? That is called as the market value. Now टॉप 500 कंपनीज का मार्केट वैल्यू के बेसिस पे ऐसे फ्रॉम द लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट कंपनी अज्यूम करो ये इंडेक्स वैसा बना है. ओके, नाउ टॉप 100 कंपनीज जो होती है दोज आर लार्ज कैप कंपनीज. द नेक्स्ट 150 कंपनीज आर मिड कैप कंपनीज. The next 250 companies are small cap companies. So typically a large cap mutual fund scheme will invest only in the top 100 companies, large cap companies. A mid cap scheme will invest largely in the mid cap sector, which will be the next 150 companies. Okay, 101 से 250 companies के बीच में. Now a small cap company will invest in the last 250 companies or companies later than that also, smaller than that also. So this is what a small cap scheme will do. Now, whenever you are investing, if you want to invest in large caps, you can either choose stocks or you can go for mutual funds. But if you want to invest in mid and small cap, then I would recommend you to stick to mutual funds only. A large company has lesser risk, lesser return. A mid cap company might carry slightly higher risk, slightly higher return. A small cap company will go even further and will carry even more risk and more return. So in case of a mid cap company and a small cap company, the number of stocks that you hold is significantly important. Hence, even if you analyze a portfolio of a mutual fund scheme, a large cap company will have a specific number of companies, mid cap will have slightly higher count of companies, and small cap will have even higher count of companies than a mid cap scheme does. So what this essentially means is जितना कंपनी रिस्की होता जाता है उतना हायर रिटर्न तो देगा ही, बट उतना ज्यादा उसका आपका जो सैंपल साइज है बढ़ना चाहिए. मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ स्टॉक्स दैट यू इन्वेस्ट यू शुड ट्राई एंड मैक्सिमाइज इट. सो दैट इज व्हाट अ म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम विल ब्यूटिफुली डू फॉर यू इन अ मिड कैप और अ स्मॉल कैप स्कीम. Hence for large caps you can do stocks because they are good quality blue chip stocks. You can do stocks or you can also do mutual funds for large caps. But for mid and small caps, stick to mutual funds only. Now what if you want to do a mix of all of these three? Okay, now if you want to do a mix of these three, stocks से ज़्यादा obviously mutual fund will make even more sense. In this case, you can prefer a flexi cap scheme that invests across these three kind of companies at the discretion of fund manager, or you can invest in a multi cap scheme, because what a multi cap scheme will do is out of your 100 rupees, 25 rupees will go to large cap, 25 will go to mid cap, 25 will go to small cap, and the balance 25 will be at the discretion of the fund manager. So ये होता है अगर आपको large, mid and small cap में invest करना है, then the strategy has to be made in this way.